Trigonometry math solution. Tan 165. Tan 90 plus 75. Minus tan 75. Minus tan 45 plus 30. Minus tan A plus tan B. Tan 45 plus tan 30. 1 minus tan 45 into 9 30. Tan 45 is equal to 1 plus 1 by root 3. 1 minus 1 into 1 by root 3. Root 3 LCM. Root 3 LCM. Root 3 plus 1. Root 3 minus 1. Root 3 plus 1. Root 3 by root 3 minus 1. Root 3 plus 1. Root 3 minus 1. Minus. Answer. Was this real as this? All of your progressive and civilization being please recognize me as a science teacher and mathematics teacher. Give me your valuable opinion on my analysis. Thank you very much, everybody.